Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to verify number in Google Messages. So if Google Messages is showing connecting, setting up, or asking you to verify phone number before RCS chat can work, you can verify the number directly from the app. And here's exactly how you can do that. To start by opening the Google Messages app on your Android phone, make sure that you're using the latest version of Google Messages. Okay, so Google recommends updating the app when troubleshooting LCS connection or verification problems. So once your messages is open, look at the top right corner of the screen, tap your profile picture or initials, and from the menu that appears, just go ahead and click on message settings and it takes you here. Now, inside message settings, go ahead and look for RCS chats, which is pretty much the first thing that you find. Now, depending on your device or version of Google Messages, this option may instead appear as chat features. Now, on the RCS chat screen, look for verify your number. All right, look for where that is. Sorry about that. So, verify your number. So right here where you have Airtel NG and you have a phone number there and says connected, meaning I have already connected my number. But if you have not connected, you're going to see an option with your number there which says you should verify your number. So just go ahead and tap on verify your number to begin the verification process. Now Google Messages will ask you to confirm your phone number, check that the number displayed is the phone number associated with the SIM you're using for messaging, and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the number. Now after you confirm the number, Google sends an SMS to confirm your phone number. Make sure that your phone is connected to your mobile network and that you can receive regular SMS messages. Google specifically lists the ability to receive SMS as a requirement for completing RCS phone number verification. So you normally don't need to manually send the verification message. Google Messages uses the SMS verification process to confirm your number. And once the verification process is successful, return to the RCS chat settings and check the status. Here we have RCS chat. You should check the status. It should now show connected. Okay, so your RCS connection should move past the verification or connecting stage. And when RCS is successfully available, Google Messages can provide features such as typing indicators, read receipts, high resolution media sharing, and messaging over Wi-Fi or mobile data. Okay, so if you do not see the verify your number, check the RCS status shown on the same screen which you have in here. So mine says it's connected. That's why I cannot see the verify your number because mine is already connected. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Now you can go back to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.